Welcome to latestgist.org. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPCL) moves to make cooking gas cheaper. After promising new petrol price, NNPCL moves to make cooking gas cheaper, launches new project. NNPCL has announced the launch of a new LPG project that will help make cooking gas available. The company said it plans to launch the LPG project in at least 12 different states across the country. The project is expected to make cooking gas affordable, especially for residents of rural communities. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. Thank you.